Welcome back. The State Police Department has withdrawn security of many MLAs as per the directives of the Chief Electoral Officer. On 17 January, department had withdrawn excess security given to cabinet ministers. On Saturday, police submitted their report to the Chief Electoral Office on withdrawal of security personnel to MLAs and ministers.
Personal security officers of most of the MLAs were withdrawn by police department on Saturday. Some MLAs had 3 security personnel who were withdrawn, whereas some MLAs were without any security officers as they had not insisted for protection. As per the guidelines of Model Code of Conduct, elected representative cannot have excess security. In the past, police department had allotted more than 10 security personnel to some cabinet ministers. Sources say police department has also withdrawn security given to former chief ministers of the state. Detailed report of withdrawal of security is submitted by police department to Chief Electoral Office. According to sources, some ministers had written to the police department not to withdraw their security due to threat to their life. Sources further says that police did not consider this plea and refused to restore the security back. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
All 63 Goan seamen aboard the ill-fated cruise ship Costa Concordia finally returned home. After a harrowing experience, the seamen have now asked the government to help them sort out their problems. They say the government has not shown any concern towards them. They have demanded setting up of a Seafarers Commission in the interest of Goan seamen working abroad.
Goan crew members aboard the Costa Concordia are finally relieved to be back home. But now they say the Goa government is oblivious to their problems.
आमची गोंयची गव्हर्नमेंट आमचे हे जालें ना कित्याक तेमगे गव्हर्नमेंट आमगे फुडें मिनिस्टर आहाय म्हाका दिसना तेमगे कोणालो तितून भुरगो काम करता म्हूण तेका लागून तेमकां हें जालें ना तेमगे भुरगो तो आहलो मिनिस्टर आहलो जाल्यार ते येताले
गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान
कोणा येना आतां गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट केदो येतलो इलेक्शन भोगली आहाय तेन्ना येतलो विचारपाक.
The Goa Seamen Association of India has demanded setting up of a Seafarers Commission.
आयज देवा उपकार गोंय साहेबा उपकार आयज कांय जालें ना म्हणून जरी तर आयज आमचे भाव कितें जावन तर भायर पडले जाल्यार आयज आमगे सारके त्रास जाता आसलेले तेकाच लागून आमचो एक गोंयकारांक सी फेरस कमिशनर आमकां गोंयांक जायो म्हूण आमी डिमांड केल्लो हेचेर गव्हर्नमेंटान मातशें लक्ष दवरचें आनी आमकां बेगीन जाता तितलें बेगीन दिवचें.
2 वर्सां आमी काम केलां एक्सपिरियन्स आहा पूण आमकां इंडियन सिटीसीज बिलकुल ना सो आमी भुरग्यां आतां हाल सिरीज जाय म्हणून आमकां सिरीज ही मेळपाना आमकां इंडियन सिटीसी गरजेची चड गरज गव्हर्नमेंटान आमकां आदार दिवचें अशें मागणी अशी.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Truck owners of Seza Mining Company have demanded hike in payment. They have asked the company to raise the payment to 350 rupees per ton. They have given 8 days deadline to the company or else have threatened of an agitation.
The truck owners of Seza Mining Company are agitated with the management. They held a protest and burnt effigies of managers of Seza Mining. They have demanded payment to be raised by 350 rupees per ton. The truck owners were paid a minimum of 150 rupees per ton. They have threatened of an agitation if their payment is not raised within 8 days.
आज आम्ही 715 असताना आमचं पेमेंट फक्त पंचवाडीच्या 25 लोकांकच कित्याक हो कुयेलो मॅनेजर आणि उजू घालता काय म्हणून सावट्या हे आमकां कळपाक जाय जो पर्यंत आमकां रेट मेळना तो पर्यंत आमगेलें अशेंच आंदोलन चालू उरतलें शांततेन.
आज तुम्ही निषेध म्हणून
आज सगळ्याच्या हातून सगळ्याचे विचार घेऊन 2 पुतळे केले आम्ही एक कुयेल्लो आणि या रामा सावंताचे कित्याक हो राग लोकांचो रोष हो आणि तांकां आमी हांगा तिस्कार सावटीच्या लमकळून तांची आमी होळी केल्या.
Earlier, the truck owners had protested and halted the mining transport for 6 days. On Thursday, all the truck owners in Sawarde participated in a one-day bandh called by the truck owners of Seza Mining. Our reporter in Sawarde, Mayur Naik.
Let's have a look at other events in the state.
The ex-students of Popular High School in Madgaon will organize a Mahanatya on the life of Rabindranath Tagore on the 150th birthday anniversary of the legendary poet, writer, artist and Nobel Prize winner. The students have organized a program on the life of Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, Jeevan Gatha. The program will be held on 25th January at 5:30 in Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon. Around 350 students will participate in this program. Pirna Gram Seva Mandal completed its 50 glorious years of existence. The students of Sri Shanta Durga Higher Secondary are organizing a program to celebrate its 50 years. The program will be held on 26th January. The management of school and higher secondary have asked all the schools and colleges to participate in the patriotic singing competition. The seminarians and brothers at Rushall Seminary have reaped good fruits out of hard work. Apart from spiritual activities, they have cultivated green vegetables and fruits in their kitchen garden. They have cultivated rich vegetables like the turnips, bitter gourd, etc. Fruits like watermelon, marshmelon, papayas and lot more. The group is involved in protecting Mother Nature and promoting healthy cultivation of fruits and vegetables. They have grown these vegetables in abundance, which they sell in the market at reasonable rates. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.